about you guys all get me out of here? See how many it takes.
On January 23rd, 2024, officers were called to a smoke shop in Key West after a customer punched an employee twice in the head. He said he was the nicest guy ever. The store had video. This is proof on record.
Were you in that guy?
No.
Oh, you were?
Yeah.
Okay. What happened?
They came in, they bought some stuff. They were super drunk. You know, they brought their drinks inside, and the guy was being kind of a douche, and she kept kind of calming him down, and then he made a comment about her weight. I tried to get them out of here, and he said, "You want to get fucking smacked?" And then punched me in the side of the head. I was right here, so he kind of knocked me into here, and then he punched me in the back of the head again.
Okay, do you want to press charges or?
Yeah, definitely.
There's a guy outside that works out for HTA, and he was like, I took a picture of them, and I was like, can you text it to me?
Yeah, that's both of them.
Mm-hmm.
Where's that up my phone right now?
You can take my phone over if you want. Or I could text it to your phone. Let me text it to you.
Let me go grab it real quick. I just
Okay.
parked right outside.
Yeah.
It's about 3 minutes and I'll have the clip for you.
She told me her name's. I don't know if that means anything, but it's worth writing.
Did they say the state or no?
Iowa.
They're from Iowa?
They're from Iowa. Her name's.
Nothing on him?
They might be staying in Casa Marina, but I don't know if that's true.
Okay, we're gonna go look for him. All right.
I appreciate it.
Yep.
Do you want to see the video or you want to just forward it? And then this is going to be when they come back in after they bought something.
She said she's got to be better.
If you don't leave right now, I'm gonna have to call the police, and then you will have a problem when you can meet with them. Get your shit off the table and please leave. What shit?
What shit? What shit's on
Is that yours?
No, I ain't mine.
Okay.
got this shit.
Okay. Do you have a loose purse?
Are you fat as or what? Are you fat as
Are you living at $2 million home? This one's funny.
Do y'all just walk around and harass people?
No, yours.
Hey, we do. All right, that's it. Hey, mother! Stop! Get out! Get out! Get back here! Get out!
Let's go.
You're going out.
I can forward it to
You
you.
can send that to me, please.
Okay, I sent them both.
Oh, they're right there. About 7:01, I'm gonna be with the suspect in front of the green room. Turn around. Turn around.
I'm turning around. What's wrong? What did I do wrong?
You're going to jail for battery.
Why?
You just punched somebody at that store. What do you mean
No,
why?
I didn't do nothing.
Dude, they have video.
No, I did not do that.
Okay, that's
not
fine.
me. Hey, seriously.
Yeah, it is you.
No, it's not me. Hey, seriously. Tell my girl.
Yes, you just heard me.
No, don't.
Dude.
Give me the information,
I'll give you some
please.
money. Seriously.
I don't need money, okay?
I
They
did not
want to press
do
charges. You went over there and you
Please do
punched the
not.
guy.
Wait, no, I did not punch anybody.
I saw the video. You want to see
No.
the video yourself?
No, I did not punch anybody. I did
He's
not
going to go
punch
to jail. We only have one jail out here. It's the Monroe County Detention Center.
I did not punch nobody.
All right, buddy.
No, seriously.
About 7:01, have one
out there
detained.
with you?
Huh?
Do I have to meet you out there?
No.
Can you take me with
I
you?
did not do that.
I'll
Seriously,
go to
this
the-
is
can
a
you take
different
me to
guy.
the police
It's
station?
a different guy.
No.
No? Do I have to meet you out there then?
No, you don't have to.
Well, I'm gonna
Most
find it out.
likely, he'll have first appearance tomorrow morning.
We don't have time.
I'm going to jail in the morning.
Ma'am, he punched somebody, okay?
No, I
he
did
committed a
not punch
crime.
anybody. I did not punch
Okay, you
anybody.
can say that all you want, okay? I just saw the video myself.
Stop,
I believe you. I believe you. I believe you.
Let me
Okay.
Okay,
talk.
talk. But I did not do that. I did not
Okay,
do
Where can
that.
I-
I saw the video myself, man.
Okay. Where can I meet you at?
I'm sorry.
You can
I'm
go,
sorry.
it's 5501 College Road. You have your ID on you?
No, I do not. We're just on vacation, babe.
I get that. But dude, you messed up.
No, I was
Okay,
drunk.
you got
What do you
I get
want
I'm
me to
drinking.
do?
I'm drinking.
Okay, but it doesn't make it okay if you punch
Can I
somebody.
talk to the
Okay.
guy? I did not punch somebody. I
I get
did
it.
not.
Where
No.
do you want me to
5501
meet you?
College Road.
Okay, so
No
take
feels.
Uber?
If you want to, but
What
he's
do
not
I
gonna,
have
he's
a
not,
ride?
he's not gonna get out today.
Why? What's
We have a ride.
You have to-
You
you have to
saying
see
he has
first
no
appearance.
bond?
Correct.
Why? Why? What did I do?
It's not up to me. It's not up to me.
I didn't
You
do
write the
nothing,
ticket.
dude. I
No,
didn't do
the
nothing,
person
dude.
wants to press charges. The person that got punched
Can
wants
I
to press
talk to
charges.
him?
Where?
I did not press
Where?
charges.
Then don't go back in there. Okay, they
No,
don't want
I
you
will
back in
not
there
go
either.
back. I did
Okay, so
not
please
do
don't get,
nothing.
It's not about
don't
me.
get in trouble, okay?
Honey.
Okay, come on.
It's not about
Walk.
me.
I will walk with you.
Do you have his ID or he has his ID?
I don't have an ID. It's in the
Can
hotel.
I have his ID, please?
It's in the hotel, babe. It's in the hotel.
Stop.
I know, but let me look.
What did I do wrong?
I explained to you like 3 times already, man.
I'm sorry.
You punched the guy twice.
No, I did not.
Okay, I saw the video.
I would not mean to. That I would never hurt somebody. I'm so nice. I'm so
sorry.
nice.
You have his ID?
I'm the
okay.
nicest guy ever.
I'm sure you are, but you made a bad decision just now.
No, I will forgive him. I will forgive you.
Okay, it might be in the room. We're from
Let him
Iowa, so we're
release
flying
me.
on a plane.
I'm
We
on
definitely have an ID.
vacation, babe.
Can I bring it back to you?
Can I please say sorry? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can I say I'm sorry?
Can I bring it back to you?
Tanan?
Can I say I'm sorry?
Oh.
Please. Please. Let me say I'm sorry.
Hey, babe.
I'll talk to
It's
the guy.
better off if you don't fucking speak, because anything you say is
No.
Negative, I have video.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Listen to
I'm
me.
sorry. I didn't do
He's
it
still
wrong.
wearing the same thing that he was wearing just now.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
All right, come on.
Can we do a bond post, please?
It's not up to us.
Who is it up
I'm
to? Because
sorry,
I'll talk to
I'm
them.
The state.
I didn't do
The
that.
state.
Okay.
I didn't do that.
Because the state don't press charges that quick.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can I say sorry to the guy and see if he'll release me? Please.
No.
Please. Please.
Come
Can I
on,
talk
walk.
to the bar? I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing, hon. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't put that for me.
Can I say
You
sorry
didn't-
to anybody? Please.
That's not going to change anything. I already asked him. He said he wants to press charges. We're
No,
getting
no,
punched.
seriously.
Yes.
I did not punch nobody.
Fucking $500,000. You want it?
Are you trying to bribe me on
I'm not
camera
right.
now?
No.
Okay.
Hold on 1 second. Stay right there.
Hey, can I talk to him, please?
Let's take your stuff off.
All right. Can I talk to him? I'll say I'm sorry and I'll give him some money. I'm not bribing anybody. Hey, please say sorry. Hey, please say sorry. The guy is my friend.
Wait,
He's
who's
my friend.
who's the arresting cop?
Why? Why?
Who's the
Why?
arresting cop?
No, I'm sorry, guys.
Who's the arresting cop? You or him?
Yes.
You are?
I'm so
First
sorry.
arrest of the day?
No.
You sure?
I'm a handcuff guy.
Because you guys like this shit.
No, we don't like people getting punched.
You wouldn't. I hate that shit.
Okay, well, that's
You
what
see me walk
happened.
him out of there, right?
Okay.
You see me doing the right thing?
I didn't do that.
All right, stop right here.
I will stop wherever you
Across
tell
the
me.
street.
You see me doing the right thing. I don't agree with this either.
Man, he punched somebody.
No, I did not punch nobody.
Okay.
It was open hand. Open hand.
Okay.
That was not a punch. I did not have a fist. Did you see a fist?
What's your step?
I will. Was that a fist? I'm not drunk.
Right here, the next one.
All right. Sorry. Sorry.
Anything sharp, anything illegal inside your pockets I should know about before I search you.
There's nothing in my pockets. I'm gonna swim suit, bro.
Your what?
I'm gonna swim suit, dude. I don't got
Yeah, you can still have stuff in your pocket. You just have pockets.
Come on now.
I just have to ask.
Your, don't follow me.
You want her to have your bracelet?
Yeah,
Gold bracelet? Okay.
Look my girl in my envelope. You see how my watch too?
Yes, you can have whatever you want.
I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to fuck up.
I told you. I mean, I'm pretty sure you're a nice dude and everything, but you made a bad decision.
I
today.
know. I did. I'm sorry.
Okay. I've been respectful the whole time.
Yeah, but
I haven't
you've been-
manhandled
yeah,
you. I
but-
haven't done anything wrong.
No, you've been very nice. I'm sorry. If I fucking mess with you, I'm sorry.
And it was up to him. You wanted to press charges for getting hit, so.
No, I didn't hit him, dude.
Buddy, I saw the video. That's video.
I didn't hit him. I didn't hit him. I didn't hit him.
You sure did.
He was fucking, he threatened me. He threatened me.
Because you called
No, he
the
threatened
other
me.
person that was working, you called her fat, and they told you to leave.
No, he threatened me.
Come on, watch
He
your
threatened
step.
me. I was threatened and I was scared
Watch your
trying to
step.
retaliate.
Watch your head.
I was scared for my own
on.
shit. Get my girlfriend.
Yeah, he just did. She got the bracelet, right?
Yes, the bracelet and your expensive watch.
He told me that he owed the police and couldn't go to jail because he had too much money.
Well, his girlfriend tried to bribe me with $500,000, and I was like, "Are you trying to bribe me on camera right now?"
Yeah.
She's like, "No, no, no." I
That's
was
so
like,
much
"Okay."
fun, man.
Just
The employee's account is clean and consistent. They came in drunk. The man made a comment about her weight. When told to leave, he said, "You want to get smacked," and punched the employee in the side of the head. then punched him again in the back of the head while he was already knocked into the counter. Officers locate the couple nearby. He denies everything. The officer tells him there is video. He says it is a different guy. His girlfriend tries to hand the officer money. On camera, the officer asks her directly if she is trying to bribe him on camera. She says no. He eventually shifts his story from "I did not do it" to "it was open hand, not a fist." That shift is significant. Closed fist or open hand, intentional physical contact causing injury is battery under Florida law. The distinction he is drawing does not exist in the statute. He is arrested for battery. His first appearance is the next morning, no bond.
Now, motherfucker! Can you talk now? You're a fucking motherfucker! You're a fucking bitch!
What is wrong? What is wrong with you,
I'm
man?
fucking insane! I'm insane! You wanna fuck with me? Fuck you! Fuck you! Hey! I'm gonna fucking hit my fucking head on the fucking door! Ah! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
You're doing it to yourself, man.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
You're doing it to yourself.
I'm gonna fuck with you, motherfucker!
You're fucking with yourself. You're not doing anything to me.
You're a fucking gay motherfucker! You fuck with me!
You're not doing anything to me. You're doing it to yourself.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! I'm gonna
Class 701,
fuck
just
with you,
14. He
motherfucker.
just started banging his head on the
Yeah,
partition.
you're fucking gay motherfucker! You're fucking with me! You fucking
Are
with
you,
me!
are you in a call?
You're fucking with me! Yeah! Fuck you!
I'm good.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Take me the fucking... Fuck you! Fuck you, motherfucker!
You're doing it to yourself.
No! Fuck you, motherfucker! You're gonna run a light, motherfucker! Oh, he runs a red
No,
light,
actually, it's a green arrow.
No, you don't got a green arrow, motherfucker. Take your sunglasses off.
I don't need to.
Cause you're so fucking bitchy. Write all your fucking tickets to me, motherfucker. All of them! All of them! Write them all! Line me up! 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 Fucking line me up, motherfucker! You wanna fuck with me? I'll fucking kill you, motherfucker! You better keep me arrested. All the tickets you can give me, bitch. All of them! All of them! You wanna threaten me? You wanna threaten me? You threaten me, motherfucker! You threaten me and I wanna fuck with you? You're trying to kill me! I am not gonna die by you. Just because I have a black girlfriend don't mean you can kill me, so shoot me. Alright? I ain't fucking drunk. You're flexing on me. And you're acting tough because you can't be bought. You little bitch. I know your fucking name. You're a fucking dude. Turn your badge in and fucking retire, bro. Seriously, turn your fucking badge in and retire, you fucking little slip. Turn your badge in, dude. Key West police, you fucking slut. I see you looking. Don't fuck with me. I'll fucking do that. I'll ruin your fucking marriage and your fucking life. You know me. I got your shit, motherfucker. Let me out right now. I'm gonna fuck with you. Let me out right fucking now. I'll fucking fuck with your old lady. I will fuck so hard with your fucking old lady. Hey, I know you got a fucking girl. I know her fucking name and I'm gonna say it because I will fucking crucify you, motherfucker. You better fucking drive fast, motherfucker. Somebody's keep fucking talking, alright? I'm gonna keep fucking talking. Fuck you. And your fucking old lady's a slut, dude. I fucking know her. I'm not saying her name, but I fucking know her. She's fucking loose as a fucking goose, dude. How many charges you got on me right now? Come on, motherfucker. How many fucking charges? How many fucking charges, motherfucker? What's up, bitch? Ah,
You're hitting yourself.
oh, you feel it. You gonna talk now? You fucking talking now? You earpiece motherfucker, take your earpiece out. Roll my fucking window up. Roll it up. I don't like the fucking oxygen. Roll it up. 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 Yeah, put your fucking gloves on. Let's fucking go. I don't have my seatbelt on anymore either, motherfucker.
Okay. Okay, doesn't bother me at all.
You wanna fucking roll with me with my hands behind my back? Fucking do something.
No.
No, I ain't getting out of here. I ain't getting out of
Watch
here.
out, don't kick.
No, you ain't touching me. You ain't touching me.
Come on, let's
No,
go.
you can't touch me. Oh, is that all you got? Is that all you got? Is that all
You
you
gotta
got?
step out.
No,
You
you
can't put
can't
my
get
kick.
me out of here. I'll fucking kill you. No, I ain't gonna spit. I ain't gonna spit. F you. No, I ain't gonna face that. No, you can't touch me. I'll fucking leave you my shoulder.
Wait,
No,
wait,
you're a
wait.
bitch, dude.
Y'all-
You're a bitch, dude. Hey, all you guys are bitches. Just send me home before I fucking enunciate you.
Why don't you step out of the car?
Nah, how about not? How about you guys all get me out of here? See how many it takes. Put my hands behind my back, you bitches. Let's see how many it takes. You wanna fuck with me?
Do I look like I'm fucking with you?
This guy's fucking with me.
I'm
right
asking
here.
you nicely.
He told me that I hit somebody and I didn't hit nobody.
I'm asking you nicely.
No, I want to know what I hit. Who I hit? Who
I'm
did I hit?
asking you nicely.
No, you saw the video. Tell me who I hit. I'm looking at you, motherfucker. Can you please answer?
Okay.
Did I hit somebody? No, I didn't hit somebody.
I'm asking you to get out of the car.
No,
All right. Come
Hey,
on.
Sir Allen, step out, man.
I'm not doing it. You're trying to hurt me. You
I'm not trying to hurt you.
You tried to hurt me on the way here. You're threatening me. You're threatening me. Don't even f with me.
Step
No,
out.
you're threatening with me.
Come on.
Don't.
Come on.
You can't f with me, dude. What are you doing?
Come on.
That's it. Really?
Come on.
Really? Really?
You gotta step out.
I ain't
One way or the
stepping
other,
out.
You gotta step out.
No,
Come on.
I ain't stepping out. I ain't stepping out. How many is it gonna take? I want to see. He's f***ing trying to hurt me. He's trying to beat my ass.
You gotta step out, man.
Let me
No, he hurt me over here.
I got you then, okay?
No, I'm not getting out of here.
We already stepped back. We're good.
No,
So what happened? What happened?
he's hurt me.
He's not gonna deal with you. I'm gonna take care of you. I'm gonna take care of you. I'm not gonna get you. He's already gave you something to do, okay?
Chase me again. Come on. Chase me again because you guys abuse me. Chase me again. Come on. Chase me again because you guys abuse me.
The door of the patrol car closes and everything changes. The man who spent 20 minutes telling officers he was the nicest guy ever and he was sorry and can he please talk to the victim now fills the next several minutes with threats, head banging against the car window, and telling the officer he will ruin his marriage. He threatens to kill the officer. That is a criminal threat under Florida law regardless of whether he means it in the moment. He removes his seatbelt. He refuses to exit the vehicle at the jail. He tells officers to see how many of them it takes to get him out. They oblige. He is removed by force and faces 2 counts of resisting arrest on top of the original battery charge. His girlfriend tried to bribe an officer with $500,000 on camera. He told the officer he owned the police and could not go to jail because he had too much money. He spent the night in Monroe County Detention Center. He was charged with battery, 2 counts of resisting arrest, and crimes against persons. He came to Key West on vacation from Iowa. He is going home with a lot more than a tan. Nothing in this video is legal advice. We are not practicing attorneys. All commentary is for education, awareness, and accountability. This is proof on record.